Good morning, students. Welcome back. So far we have completed all 5 types of degrees of comparison, right? And its fair book exercises are also completed with the explanation part. We have also solved textual exercises, right? Today we'll be solving another fair book exercise, but this is mixed type exercise. What do you mean by mixed exercise? All 5 types will be combined in this exercise, means all 5 types of sentences. You need to identify which type it is and then do it accordingly. So quickly recall all the rules of 5 types and then let's begin. Okay. So the very first sentence is grammar is more difficult than literature. Now students, dash more difficult, right? So more difficult in itself tells you that it's a comparative sentence, and then there is the comparison word then. Dash then. So here you can see in the bracket I have written it's a type 3 two individual statement, right students? Now in exam we will not be giving you this information that it's which type of sentence it is, type 3, type 2, type 1, etc. right? You need to recall by the formula. Dash then means it's a type 3 two individual comparative positive sentence. That means here superlative is not possible, only positive is possible, and in positive also we will add the word not to make it negative. Let's look at it. Literature will come in beginning, is not, right? Can you see? Not. Then with not we add the word so, and more difficult will become difficult. Not so difficult as grammar. Clear students? Easy it is? Great. And superlative is not possible, so we'll go to the next sentence. Water is the greatest boon of the country. Yes, we cannot deny that. The greatest, that means the superlative, the highest, right? Okay, so the dash, the greatest is type 1 singular statement and it's superlative sentence. So we'll first try to change it into positive. No other, you know, type 1 formula, okay? So positive, so no other will come in the beginning. Boon of the country in the beginning. No other boon of the country is the greatest will change to as great as water. Okay students? Great. Let's look at the next one. Water is greater than. Great will become greater. Water is greater than any other boon of the country. This is your comparative sentence. Let's look at the next one. She was one of the greatest orators in her days. One of the greatest. Right? Now again this is your superlative sentence, but type 2. Plural number. So first we'll try to change it into positive. So positive, very few is the word which is required for type 2, right? Very few. Orators. Orators will come in the beginning. So was will change to were, because initially we were talking about she. She was one. Okay, so with she we use was, right? You know that. And here orators, plural. So were. Very few orators were. The greatest will, one of the greatest will change into as great as. Her in her days. Okay. And in comparative, she again will come in the beginning, right? She was. Again with she will use was, and great will become greater than many other. Then many other, then most other, that's a type 2, right? So she was greater than many other orators in her days. Great. Let's look at the next one. The moon is not so large as the Jupiter. Now you can see this is now positive given in negative. Not so is used. So it's a negative sentence in positive. That means it's a type 3 two individual sentence. Here again superlative is not possible. So we'll try to do only comparative. So what we will do, we'll take Jupiter in the beginning. The Jupiter is large will become larger. We'll make it comparative positive. We'll remove the word not. So the Jupiter is larger than the moon. Okay? Great. Let's look at the next one. Very few continents are as overpopulated as Asia. Overpopulated is one big word, right? So, and this is a positive sentence, type 2 number. You can see very few it begins with. So as dash as, so it's a type 2 plural number. When you change it into comparative, what we will do, Asia will come in the beginning. Is, now overpopulated is more than 6 words, so we'll use more overpopulated. Okay, more overpopulated than many other continents. And in superlative, Asia is one of the most, more will become most overpopulated continents. Okay students, let's look at the next one. The Bible is the holiest book on the earth. This is your the dash, so the superlative holiest. So this is type 1 singular statement. We'll try to first change it into positive. So no other, you know that you need to remember this rule. No other book on the earth, book on the earth will come in the beginning. No other book on the earth, the holiest will change to as holy as. No other book on the earth is as holy as the Bible. Okay, so this is your positive sentence. When you want to change it into comparative, Bible will come in the beginning. So Bible is holier. Holy will change into holier. Bible is holier than any other book on the earth. Okay, great. Next sentence. Chalk is more important than cheese in our life. This is your type 3 to individual sentence. Okay, more important is used, more important and then dash. Chalk is more important than cheese in our life. Okay, first, not first, the superlative is not possible here. And more important, again it's a positive comparative, so we'll try to change it into positive but using negative word. So cheese will come in the beginning. Cheese is not so, more important will change to important as chalk in our life. Great, let's look at the next one. He was thinner than most other contestants. This is your comparative sentence, thinner than. Okay, type 2 it is, plural number. Remember students, in exam we will not be giving you which type it is, type 1, type 2 or type 3. Just by looking at the sentence, you should know that it's a type 2 or type 3 sentence. Which sentence it is, comparative, superlative or positive, then you need to convert the other accordingly. Okay, so remember, recall, memorize your rules clearly. Okay, let's try to change this in positive. Very few will come as a compulsory word and contestants will come in the beginning. So very few contestants. Now here contestants is in plural, so we will use were in place of was. Very few contestants were. Thinner will become as thin as. Him, he will change into pronoun him. Okay, great. Let's look at the superlative sentence. How we will do it? He will change, he was will remain as it is. One of the we will add for superlative and thinner will become thinnest. Okay, he was one of the thinnest contestants. Great. Let's look at the next one. You are as intelligent as a man of words. Now as intelligent as. This is your type 3 to individual. But now look at this sentence students. Initially we did the positive using negative word. This is a positive sentence. So when you change type 3 to individual into comparative, okay, positive sentence into comparative, you have to use the word negative word in comparative. And superlative is not possible. So let's try to change in comparative. You can see not I have used. A man of words will come in the beginning is. With you we use are. Your man of words is not. Not is the word that we have used. Intelligent will become more intelligent than you. A man of words is not more intelligent than you. Okay. Last but not the least, neem is one of the most suitable medicines in hot arid areas. This is type 2 plural number sentence, superlative sentence. Okay, so first we will change it into plural using very few medicines. Medicines will come in the beginning. Okay, very few medicines. Now here medicines is in plural, so we are using are. Very few medicines are. One of the most suitable will change to as suitable as, because it is a positive sentence, as neem in hot arid areas. Comparative, neem will come in the beginning, is suitable will become more suitable, then many other medicines in hot arid areas. Clear students? Very easy it is. So here we completed the mixed exercise also. Here topic degrees of comparison is over. We'll soon begin with the revision, okay, for second term. Till then practice and have a very good day.